right here, what I did was I took a whole oil tank, heating oil tank, 20 inches, make a nice deep hood, and you have a big area, 28-inch area across that way, and a 5-foot area back. So that's a nice area to draw the smoke up. Okay, here's the tray. I got the fire brick, which I think is a necessity if you're going to use it a lot, because it would probably warp. It's thick metal. It's about over 1/8 thick. This is the top of the tank, and the thing I wanted to tell you about is it already has welded, threaded area here for your pipe and your blower to be on. Up top I put a crock into that block wall, and I just cut that hole out. Actually, the best thing for that hole was the Sawzall blade to cut that circle. Now I have a pan under here already, an ash pan. Well, that's what I'm going to use. I got that double insulated wire going down in that junction box. Both these fans are like that, they're hardwired. Okay, so we're at the bottom of the barrel, and there's them little holes that are pre-threaded, 4 of them across, so you can design any type of forge you want with this. But I used a nipple at the top and a Y. Up here's my fan, and I mounted that, and it fits pretty close on a 6-inch crock, and it's sucking a good draft. Alright, looks like a nice, good rainy evening to get this forge going. Okay, so here's what I did. I just took 1/4-inch steel and made like 1 1/4-inch bands, and cut notches and made a grate there. So I have the grate covering the hole. It's hard to see exactly at that hole, but I have a good airflow now. Start it. Okay, so once you get that lit, you can turn the fan on. There it is. That ain't long. That's a good forge.